to get everything
Yeah, that sounds
live on
good.
time.
Hey, how's it
Rob is
going?
here.
Hello,
How's it
Doing
hello.
good.
going for this?
Let's see, let me bring up a standalone tab so I can have it ready.
Okay, the YouTube is live.
Good.
We're gonna start the event.
Yep,
Okay,
sounds
very
good.
cool. Um, Welcome y'all to Synthi's Creator Spotlight. Synthi is a new web sim creator who's been making some really incredible stuff. Um, she's been around web sim for when would you say that you joined?
Uh, around like 3 weeks ago, I
Okay.
reckon.
Yeah, tons of amazing projects. 6,600 views in those 3 weeks. Kind of crazy. Um, what would
Yeah,
be?
that count is unfortunately not correct.
Oh, okay. We'll pretend it is. We'll pretend it is.
Yeah, we'll pretend. Uh,
What's your favorite project that we should start with here?
one of my recently favorite projects I made is actually the interactive periodic table.
Okay.
It's it's something I really fancy, and
Ooh.
I hope it works now.
Ooh.
Whoa.
There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
Okay. It even has the
It's just
filters.
yep. It's one of my newest favorite ones. I've been playing around with because
This is super neat.
yeah.
I've posted the link in chat if y'all want to see this one.
So you just
Wow.
click on an element and
Yeah,
it
you
opens
click on
up.
an element. Yeah.
Did you have to provide it all of the
You
links manually?
No, I didn't.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, that's so
This was
cool.
a very simple process actually.
This
Just
reminds
shows.
me do you know Wallpaper Engine?
Yeah, I have wallpaper. What do you
I
think I
have
based it on?
Okay, we have the same wallpaper then.
Yeah,
I was like this is really cool, but it's missing a bunch of Wikipedia articles and this one is perfect. That's awesome.
yeah.
Did you run into any snags while
I
you were making
wanted.
it?
I know actually. Yeah, no, I did run into one, and at the area I didn't know I meant with the categories. So you see how it skipped
Oh
from
yeah.
uh, it skipped from version 2 to 3 and stuff like that.
Oh,
But
I see.
that
Yeah,
was a
yeah.
tiny snag.
Yeah, only 6 versions though. That's pretty impressive for something that works this smoothly.
Yeah, I have been a fan of like making projects that doesn't require that many prompts, but it's still possible. That's what I've been focusing on
That's
recently.
I
awesome.
feel like you've got a bit of like a magic touch almost with prompting where it's like, like you just get what you want in very few prompts. Like I feel like I'm not normally seeing like like in my projects, you'll see like 10 different collapsed versions of something, sometimes when I'm like really struggling on it. And I feel like you just kind of
Mm.
like power right through it.
Yeah, this is very
Yeah,
explanatory here. This prompt.
well, I had to make it explanatory because that was after Rob told me a process that I've used ever since.
Oh yeah? Would you share
Oh
with the
God.
Uh,
class?
it was actually posted in work in progress, I believe,
Oh, okay.
and it's like you tell it exactly what you want right at the start,
Okay.
and it
Okay.
Yeah.
does it. Um, and it works for fixing stuff too. That's
Um,
something I've used ever since.
Make it
yeah, I
cool
feel like
looking faded
O3 like
colors.
I feel like O3 just picks up a lot more instructions all at once than Sonnet does. Like you can really just like tell it a bunch of things that you all want to happen. And
Mm.
like the way that it was trained, like with the it's trained to have like reinforcement learning on the thinking process. Like it's supposed to have like optimal thinking processes in order to get the output that you want. So it's like it's really trying hard to satisfy all of your instructions there.
I yeah, I've I do both OV Mini, Overthink. It's incredible.
It's a very good model. Yeah.
Yeah. Um, I was going to show the SCP wiki reader, but that one is broken.
No. Okay.
um, unless it isn't. Hold on. No, it's still broken.
Okay. Well, we can look at the brain emulator. I thought that one was really cool.
Oh yeah, the brain emulator. Yeah, that was another one I wanted to show off.
What was your what was your inspiration for this?
So in college, I went through a course where we basically learned I believe that's the wrong version.
It might be. It might be.
But yeah. Where we basically learned a bit of how the human brain does things, and so I was like, how cool would it be if you could like visually see kind of that process? And in the latest version, and this is the coolest thing, is that it starts out not connected at all, which is how it should
Oh,
be.
interesting. Okay.
I have not added in the factor that they can duplicate and stuff like that. We don't
Okay.
completely know how it works, but that was my main
That's so
inspiration.
interesting though. That's really cool. So it's simulating like electrical signals going through the brain, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You can see you click on one of
And,
these and it like transmits it to the whole area.
yeah, if you go through actually the latest version, hold on, let me pull it up for you, so I can send a link to the one I'm the most fan of. Okay. I believe it's version 47.
Okay, yeah, that's the one I'm on now.
Right. So you see how it slowly connects each other?
Yeah.
Kind of cool.
It's like starting to
That's
form these
how-
pathways.
That's how it more or less does. As we don't
Oh.
exactly know how it works, but it will connect to other nodes in order to send the electrical signals. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. You can see the whole this whole area that I was clicking on here is all way more connected and lit up than the rest of it.
I've also actually I do have a remix, but that one isn't completely done. Where I'm actually using this network as a decoder, so to speak.
Oh, very cool. How does that work?
You put in like text or math or something like that, and it fires through the network, trying to like slowly learn in like training data,
Ooh.
like a
Okay,
real
very cool.
neural network on a PC would work. So that isn't visible because I learned a little trick for that.
I see you've got the JSON
that's-
schema in here that you can edit.
Yeah, that was actually my sibling that recommended.
Oh, very cool. So
Yep.
let's see if we reduce the neuron count. You can see it changes it down to just 100 in total.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool.
That was
Ooh.
yeah. That was mostly because of the massive performance issues caused by the entire network.
It is a bit it's a bit large, a bit brainy.
Yeah. Let's see if we can see another product here.
Sure. Do you have one that you would prefer?
That is a good question.
The 3D House
I
Explorer is
actually
pretty
have
cool.
a new. Yeah, I'm not done with that one yet.
Okay.
I
Okay.
do have a new one, which we could sneak peek into. You want?
Sure. Sure thing.
All right, I'll send you
Getting an
the link to
exclusive
that.
look.
This is gonna be a very cool thing, and you can't see it all, but there you have the link for that one.
Okay.
Um,
Oh, very
so
cool.
I am, yeah, I'm in the process of making a functional website kind of bug report for
Ooh.
those who doesn't want to join like the Discord
Right,
or
right.
something like that. And there's actually a hidden menu which me and I believe Rick can see,
Okay.
where it's an helper chat, so we can communicate on trying to
Oh,
help a
neat,
singular
neat.
user or something. So this is a new project I'm working on.
Oh, very cool. So people can post like support requests, and then you can just give them feedback in the
Yeah.
comments. Very
Yeah,
cool.
and if you scroll up and go into questions, you can see the category, ask questions.
Ooh.
You can see
Oh,
the
wow.
categories, which,
Okay.
yeah,
Very neat.
it's very nice, and I believe it will help people.
Yeah, absolutely. I would love to share this with more people.
Yeah, you can share it. You can share it. It's just not done yet, so I'm waiting for me to be done with that.
Sure, well, we can wait until
Publish.
it's fleshed out. But this is
Yeah.
awesome. I
Also,
love the
huge
idea of
shout
it.
out to all the helpers who
Absolutely.
have just been incredible in our Discord. You know,
Yeah,
I feel
shout
like the
out.
questions channel always gets like a quick reply. Generally, you know, like just been really happy about all the helpers lately.
Do we want to check out the 3D house thing?
Yeah, sure.
You mentioned it earlier, and yeah.
Helpers are the white blood
Okay.
cells of WebSim.
Okay, so do you know what to do?
I believe so.
Oh, right. So in the inventory, which is
Okay.
you have a light bulb, and you need to drag that to one of your bars.
Okay. Okay.
There you go. And
We'll
then
get the other
exit
things
out of
down
the
there
inventory.
too.
Oh yeah, you can do that. I'm not done with this one either, so it's going to get polished a little.
Okay. Okay. So I've got my
And
flashlight
then now
on.
you have a flashlight.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can go to the doors.
These
That's not
faces are so
really-
freaky.
Yeah, no, it's even more freaky. Oh yeah, you need to press U for unstuck. I haven't fixed that.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
It's even more creepy because they no clip through the wall, so
Oh, good.
eventually they'll catch up to you, and you'll get really scared.
Okay.
Oh yeah, do you wanna see the Discord mega project? That's a good
Oh,
idea.
Yeah, do I? So just for some context, a little while ago, I got the helpers to help us make some templates and stuff, and the instructions were, you know, like, let's keep these templates simple, like easy things for people to remix. But then, you know, and Sushi made a great chat room template, a great Discord template, but then was like, wait, but I want to build on this template. I want to and it became this.
Yeah. The only issue is it's 106,000 lines, so
Oh my gosh.
1,000? Okay, what?
Hold on. We
and,
gotta
a
see
line
this.
can be up to 29 million. I've had an error with that.
9 million. Okay, that doesn't even make sense.
Terms of service, as you see.
Don't break the law.
Okay.
That's good.
Good.
Right. Right. I like these. I like these.
This is great.
Yep. There you go. Now you can enter.
Okay. So.
Let's make a server. Let's.
Okay,
go
yeah,
through the
we can do
process
it
of
for-
making a server. Yeah.
Synthi Spotlight chat.
Yeah.
Yes.
Share the link so everyone can go in and join the server.
So okay.
Okay, so we have the
Whoa.
server settings right here. You do, click on the chat if you want to go into a chat. Uh,
Oh, I see. Okay, and how do I get
and
the
if
link for this room?
so, here's the cool part. You don't even need to get the link for this room.
Oh,
People
people will
can just
see it?
see it. Yeah,
Ooh.
you see the
Okay.
little icon below the key thing. I don't know what a compass icon.
Okay, I see.
Um, yeah.
Oh, very
Um,
neat.
uh, yeah.
Like
I've
servers.
yeah, that produces rainbow text. So try typing something.
Selling party hat in Lumbridge.
You can press enter or something.
Oh,
There you go.
nice, nice.
Um, and you can also select the color of the text,
Okay,
which is yeah.
like this.
Yep. There you go.
Fantastic. Okay. Big fan. Big fan.
Yeah, yeah. And the coolest thing comes in the server settings actually.
Wow, you're not
Wait.
joking.
No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm
It is
joking.
106,000 tokens,
Oh.
1,300 lines in just the HTML file, I think, or
Ooh,
in one
ooh.
of the other ones.
There
No,
are more files. Hold on.
oh my god,
Look
there
into the
are.
file.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot more files.
Oh boy.
Whoa.
Uh,
Okay, okay. So for those who haven't used this feature before, would you like sort of like give a brief explainer like why do you have all of these different script files and like why is it all separated like that rather than
um,
fewer?
okay, so the reason why I had it separated, and at some point, was because the one file was 76,000 tokens, and that took literally 6 seconds to load.
Oh my god, okay. So it was out of necessity.
It was really, yes.
Wow. But honestly, like
Yeah,
this
the
way you can
sanitizer, that is against
Oh, I
injections.
I notice I can add people as friends too, or
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
the only
cool.
problem is they all go to me.
oh okay.
I think, unless I fix that. But let's go into server settings for a little bit so I can show you something.
Sure, sure.
It's this. Yeah, there you go.
This is yeah, this
Go
is
into
nuts.
go into roles.
Okay. New role
Um,
name?
and then make a role for
Okay,
everyone in the
okay.
server. Yeah.
Live Sigmas. Okay.
And then yeah, that's create roles.
Should we give them any terrible permissions?
Yeah, I mentioned at everyone. Let's do
Here.
that.
Okay, we'll do at everyone and manage nicknames.
Yeah.
Do all of these
Fantastic.
permissions work? Like, can
I
they
haven't
ban
fully
members kick
tested,
members?
but
Okay.
I do know the moderation ones work.
So okay, so we've made the role. Now
Yeah, and now you can go out of the server settings
and just
and
click on
click on
somebody.
someone, and there you go.
Oh my god. Okay. All right, now all of you need to try at everyone.
I don't know if that works. I have to be honest.
I'm trying
Oh,
to
you
I'm
wanna
trying to
server
give
check.
everybody the role as quickly as possible. I want my badge. No.
Oh, you want badges? I can add that later.
Okay, great.
This is crazy.
Yeah, it is gonna lag. Uh, it's definitely going to lag.
So how
This
long did
is
it
a
take you to
really
make this?
to make this entire project? Well, it started out as a day, I believe.
Wow. Okay.
Like I made like major parts of the thing in a day, which was like I believe 150 versions or something. And then I kept adding on it, and I kept being persistent to fixes. Hey, why don't you guys try to swear in the chat real quick?
Frick.
Bricks.
Brick work. Brick work. No, no, put it together. But yeah, we do also have emojis if you guys want to upload one of those.
I believe I did. I think I did.
Yeah, now we have a server icon. No, that's... You uploaded
Yo.
the server icon.
Okay, well that works.
Yeah, that works.
Evil Philip here? What the heck? Frowny face Philip? Fake? All of the different settings, this must have taken a lot of time. Like, at
yeah,
least a lot
it
of
did take a lot of time.
a lot of wrestling with the AI to get it to actually do the thing.
Do note the webhook doesn't actually work right now.
The audit log though, that's crazy.
Yeah, we have audit logs too.
Now let's see. Okay.
And you
Emoji.
can make people stop. Yeah, I know.
Here we go.
Let's see if it
Oh,
works.
nice.
Yes, there you go. Now let's see if you guys can post some emojis in the chat. Oh, is the emoji broken?
It shows up,
No.
but I'm
I can't.
wait.
Yeah, okay.
no.
That's unfortunate. Well,
That's
I'm
okay.
gonna have to fix that later.
It's super cool. Oh wait, no. Okay, it works
I
if you type
also-
it in.
Wait.
The name is WebWin, so if you do
Double
colons
double
around it,
dots?
it'll work. Yeah.
Okay, it does work. Okay.
Nice.
Good, good.
This is super cool.
Yeah, I spent a lot of time on this.
Thank you, crap.
Okay, so I did try to make something else working a couple of days ago, although I did have to stop working on it because it wouldn't allow me to connect to it.
Okay.
I was trying to make a a site where you could live stream to, but
okay.
it did work. The only problem is I had such a terrible connection that my OBS just didn't want to connect most of the times. So I canceled that one.
So you've got a powder toy template.
Oh yeah. Do you want to try test the powder toy thing?
Sure. Ooh.
Hmm.
Whoa. Okay.
It's not really fine-tuned, but if you put down I don't know, metal, some metal,
Okay.
and then do electricity.
Let's see. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Very cool.
And then wood is also flammable. This did take me a couple of prompts, but
I would imagine. It's really cool though.
yeah. Well, okay. Let me see if I have any other projects I can draw up right now.
This is this is always my first test with sand games to see if you can boil water through a metal pot.
No, but you can actually heat up metal.
Oh, cool. Okay. It does look like it's retaining heat. Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Let's see. Do we have... Oh, yeah. Hold on. Do you want to see the secret of the SCP ID generator?
Sure. Sure.
Let me see if this is the main version. Yes. Okay. Do you have that one accessible right now, or do you want me to post it?
I might need a link.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. There you
Cool.
go.
I'll go post this in the
All right.
YouTube chat too.
So yeah. So if you go to the right of the drop-down menu on clearance level, a little to the right, there you
Oh,
go.
I see.
Click on it, and
Okay.
then click on clearance level.
Whoa. Overseer.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dr. Websim
That is something
John.
that is my hidden little secret for you all that's watching.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna make Websim John the Overseer.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm sneezing.
Oh, bless you.
Big cheese at Web HQ. Fantastic. And you can also see, I was looking at this the other day, you can see people's like cards that they've already
Yeah.
made, which I think is really neat. Very fun.
Absolutely. And I made it in such a way where you can download the ID and use it for another project. So,
Oh, cool.
yeah, and if you click Control Shift I on the thing that you have downloaded,
Um, like in here?
there you go. You see on the top there, there's a big chunk of data.
Yeah.
Um, you can use that for your projects. It's
Oh,
just
okay.
gonna read it.
Very cool. So you could just copy paste this and it would remake the thing.
Well, no, you can ask it to allow import of this specific format, which is,
Oh,
I
okay,
believe, dot save or something. And then you can just import all of the data and allow people through, like an actual ID kind of thing.
That's really cool. So you can make like an actual like SCP website, WebSim that would need
Yep.
like certain clearance levels and people could input their generated cards. That's super
Yep.
cool.
That was my intention. I don't believe anyone has done this yet, though. But
I would collab
I don't
on
know
it.
if I have any more. I don't know if I have any more.
Maybe some of your templates we can go through.
Oh,
if you
some
like.
Yeah,
of
you
my
have made a ton
templates,
of really
yeah.
cool templates.
Yeah. Well, let's go
Let's
through
check
my
out this
templates then.
this forum one.
That is actually what I was basing the help forum on.
Okay.
As you can see. Yeah. And my intention was that people could easily create a forum based on what I already made. This is a low token amount.
Wow, 5
And,
prompts.
yeah,
Very neat.
Yeah. I
So
seem to be very good at making the little prompt things.
for those that haven't seen, templates are something that we launched recently. Basically, when you are on the home page and you open up the edit sidebar here, it'll give you a handful of basic starting points for a web sim. So if you want to make a platformer game, you should start with this one. And if you click on, for example, which one of these is one of yours?
The chat room is mine. I don't know what if any of the other ones are.
Cool. So you click on this one and it remixes without sending a ton of notifications to Synthi. It remixes her project, and you then have a working base plate to go off of for what you're looking for. So that's what this forum template is fits into that menu of templates that we have.
Oh, in the list of templates that I've recently posted, this is not more of a functional thing. This is just a skin.
Okay.
So it shows what you can do, and this allows you to basically import it to your own web sim if you want. If you want the pink skin.
Oh, very cool. So how would this work?
You download it and then use the CSS file.
Oh,
That's
very neat.
all it does. Yeah.
Very cool.
And
We love customization.
yeah, it's a bit of customization. I figured some people might like it. Um, we also do actually have the live poll templates, which I don't think we've converted to a template on the site, actually.
Ooh. Okay, let's get chat polling.
Yeah.
Let's get everybody polling in here. Um, question: Is Synthi goated? Yes. Yes, 2. End time? We can say today at 2 p.m.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Great poll, and there we go. It's live.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, poll already ended. Wait. Okay, that's a glitch. I didn't foresee.
Uh-oh. Very cool.
Yeah.
And this one was just a single prompt?
Yeah, that's was also a single prompt. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so we gotta run through this prompt. Create a multiplayer database live poll where user can enter what kind of poll, multiple answers. Default is 2, but can have up to 6. Each one is shared on a global dashboard with every user. Every user can create one. Make sure user has to input by what time it ends. When it has ended, show answer. User can see what they voted for. All votes are counted. So, okay, did you like make a few versions? Like, did you try making a template of this a few times and then like realize like it's gonna
this was
think,
the first attempt.
dang, okay, wow.
This
User can
was
decide to make a
what I
poll.
would like to call a one prompt wonder.
Wow. I would say so. I would say so.
And it works perfectly fine. I'll be honest. It's
Yeah, this is really
Yeah.
cool.
it is.
Okay.
I like it. Let's see if we have any other templates we can run through. Oh yeah, I did make the newer neural network template for anyone that wants to branch off
Oh, this one here, yeah.
and make their own little thing. Yeah,
Oh, very cool.
and this is basically on the most stable version before I added what I wanted myself. And you can just branch off it and make your own cool stuff.
Wow, very neat.
Yeah.
Did you have any projects that you were working on, or any that that you were hoping that worked, that failed, that never got posted, or anything like that?
Oh, a lot of them. And my list
If you
is
want to, you can feel
so
free to
long.
share.
Um,
I've got tons of unposted projects that never really worked out.
I don't think I posted. No, I did post this project. This one doesn't seem to work right now, though. Let's see. I had a learn to fly clone that
Very cool.
didn't want to work. And so I had to kind of call it off after a couple
Learn
of
to fly was a
versions.
heater.
Yeah, I tried to make it. It didn't work. I tried 4 times in a row and it wouldn't work. Someone better than me could probably make it.
Do you have like one of the unfinished versions still?
I do actually.
Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, yeah. No, this this is probably the closest one to that would be that. It didn't
Okay.
go anywhere. It has 3 versions, and that's it. That's all you can do.
Okay, it works. It works pretty well though. You could do something with this.
Yes, you could definitely do something with it. It's It's just I kind of lost the will to do something.
I see, I see.
Yeah.
Well, do you want to move
But
on to collabing on a project then?
yes, I'm quite looking forward to that one.
Very cool. We could work on the platformer that you had the idea for.
Yeah, yeah. Let's do that one.
Cool.
Um,
So let's draft this crazy prompt.
yeah, let's draft it.
We want a
Okay.
we want a platformer where you can switch between two different characters to
Yeah.
interact with obstacles in different ways.
Let's say blue and green.
Okay. All right.
Um, let's see.
With a blue character and a green character.
Yeah.
Maybe we could start with saying like maybe one of the characters is like a block shorter than the other one and can get into
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Let's do that. I, I I I believe that's a good idea.
Green character is 1 block tall.
You might have to specify how tall a block is because that is.
Yeah, I'm thinking about that.
Okay. Let's say. Okay, yeah, that works. Oh yeah, that would be a good idea. Yeah. Should we give them a little arms? So.
Ooh, okay. So let's specify the blocks. We should say the world is
I
built
would
out
say
of squares.
yeah. Let's say usually when I make a project like this, I usually specify a specific height, and it's 1.75 meters.
Okay.
It's kind of a weird thing, but that's the perfect camera kind of height for some reason in 3D.
Okay, interesting. Okay.
So let's do that because that gives
Oh.
us a chance to kind of change it later on.
I'll also just point out on like a prompting level, if you are saying like make it 1.75 meters tall, then that means later you can prompt it to make it 4 meters tall or half a meter tall. Whereas
Yeah.
like if you're just saying like trying to prompt it like make it a little taller, make it a little smaller,
Right,
you
right.
won't really like know what to do as much. So giving it like an anchor point like that can be good.
Yeah. I've dealt with that a lot.
What's up, it's sorry.
Um.
Um,
Okay. Let's see. So.
What else do we think
want
we need?
to? Okay. So since you said since you said double as high, maybe you need to specify that the specific one that is 1 meter tall or 1 block tall.
Yeah, okay.
Is the because that will basically base the second character of the first one's height, kind of thing. Or you could put 1.7 on the taller one. It really doesn't matter.
Um, okay.
Yeah.
Do we think we're ready to send it?
Yeah.
We can try
Yeah.
it.
Let's
We'll try
let's
it.
see let's see where that gets us.
If it doesn't work,
It's 2D, Philip. It's 2D.
What you can also try doing is like telling it what the goal is of the platformer.
true. Okay.
Well,
So
Oh, I didn't know you could cancel it.
Or like you can even say like try saying like okay, the two characters are used in different situations for the
Yeah.
gameplay.
So what I kind of came up with as an idea is you have to get through obstacles by picking them up, right?
Okay.
By picking each other up. And the end goal would probably be to find the key on that level to open a door. Well, when it comes to stuff like that, it's gonna assume it's 2D unless 3D is
Okay.
specified.
Okay.
Yeah. Which
We'll
is good.
send that. See how this one's coming
We'll see
along.
where the... Yeah. I see some movement code in there. That's nice.
Yeah, I kind of do something hacky sometimes with this, where I'll like just open up a bunch of tabs and run the same prompt a few times.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. For anyone that doesn't know, not everyone will get the same result. So sometimes that is the best thing to do. Just run the same stuff until you get what you want.
I think we didn't get a game for this
Hey,
one.
Oh,
just
wait.
say, like,
Oh wait, should we have specified game?
wait, look at the files that's in this. Let's just see what.
Oh,
No, just say, hey, nothing's showing on the screen right now. It's just white right now. Can we play? I want to play this game. Please let me play this game. I don't know.
That usually works.
okay, and let's
'Cause that's
see.
probably just something stupid where things aren't like quite wired up right.
Yeah.
Okay, this one's still sending. Oh, here we go.
It's loading. It's loading. Let's see if this one works.
Yeah,
Twisted beat the
so
game
thing
already.
About 03 mini high, that's kind of counterintuitive, is that sometimes if it's running slower for you, that actually means that it's working harder. You know, like it's thinking harder about your request because your request was harder. Whereas like with the other models, they're all going to be kind of like the same length of time regardless. Like 03 mini high, like if it thinks for a while, that means it's probably like it's cooking.
Well, this prompt also omitted the HTML file.
It did the same thing.
Wait, like there isn't an HTML file? Like view source.
Yeah, hold on. Let me see if I can find it again.
Okay, there is, but it's not showing in the assets.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Wait.
Wait. Just prompt
Wait,
it.
this
just
is
prompt
also-
it, because it can see the previous prompts. Like tell it, hey, no, I actually want the whole game. Like implement everything.
Make the entire game.
Make the entire
that'll
game,
work.
please.
That'll work.
Let's see. Let's see.
Let's see
Oh.
if this works. That's a tiny window. Oh.
Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, that is.
Hold on.
good.
Okay, so
Okay, so they can't stand on each. Okay, that's a problem.
What? Oh.
okay, wait. There's got to be a way. Okay, now we need to look through the controls to see if there's a way to
Yeah.
switch characters.
Did we ever specify that?
No, but we did say that there are two characters, so that it might have put in a way to.
Yeah.
It might have just bound both of them to different buttons, like.
Oh, yep.
the
Okay,
arrow
blue is
keys.
arrow
Yeah,
keys.
yeah,
Okay, so blue can get up and around.
I love the camera work that it does with it.
Honestly, it's okay. It's already
we
pretty
need
good.
bigger levels, but that's fine. Blue is lost to the void, unfortunately.
Okay. Yeah, that like just the way the camera follows you around there, like oh, that felt good.
Okay, here's the other
is
one.
Incredible. Okay, can they stand on each other?
No.
That's still a.
Oh, yeah.
I did like the first one though. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's see if this one has a way to change characters.
Yeah, this one is different. Oh, if it's that easy to make a map on this, we can make a map editor later
Love it. Yeah, I've run into the same thing sometimes when I've been making some games where I'm like, oh, this is fun, but the AI is terrible at making levels.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
like it doesn't really know what it's doing
Okay,
when
it's
making levels.
S to switch
so.
between.
Oh, this is what I wanted. Yes. Okay.
Okay. So which version do we want to fork off of? Do we
I
think?
think this one's
This one is really nice.
Okay.
But the problem is, wait, hold on. How does it build the level? Let's look. How is it? Okay, so it's just.
Wow.
It's binary.
Oh, so
This is-
basically saying block or not block. Like each row of this level, like if it's a 0, that means there's no block taking up space, and if it's a 1, there is
Wow.
a block taking up space. That's wow. Who
that
thought
is
of that
also a
other-
very good system.
It makes total sense. It's super compressed. Like there's like basically like I see a lot of times they'll make like a whole JSON thing that's like marking every pixel or whatever. No, this is perfectly simple. I love it.
Wow.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, so we can fork from
which-
this one.
Yeah, let's work from this one. This one is not. How about bigger maps? No, wait. So
I wanna
this-
take one thing from this one. I wanna take the.
Yeah,
I like
this
the
switching.
highlight and that you tap S to switch. So let's say, show a white border around character that is selected. Use S to switch between selected characters. allow-
Use arrow keys for a movement. You remember to
Also-
specify that.
I prefer. I'll say WASD because I got my
Yeah, but
my
that
60%.
will interfere with the S button.
Oh, true. Okay, I'll make it make it F.
F.
Yeah, F will do. F will do.
Also, you should add to the prompt to make it so like characters can stand on top
Yeah.
of each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would recommend specifying characters have collision because that has a little side effect.
Okay.
Which I want to show.
Okay. What else can we add to it?
Let's see. We do need bigger maps.
Yeah.
but-
Let's say.
Let's say they are because it's based on 1 and 0s. Let's try to make it 16 first. Maybe. I don't know.
Make the rows 16 columns wide.
Yeah,
The
something like
level
that.
map. Make level map rows at least 16 columns wide.
Yeah. Let's see if that's something cool.
Okay. Should we implement like this one doesn't have a what's it called? This one doesn't have the key to open the door kind of thing. So should we like try to implement
we
that?
do. Yeah. Let's try that. Something we can also play around with later on as procedurally generated maps, but
Yes. Let's also implement a mechanic that requires a key on screen to be
and
picked up before unlocking the winning
let's
door.
see, yeah, winning door works. Yeah.
Okay. Anything else in this one?
Let's see.
All right, let's send it. Let's send it.
Yeah, let's send it. Send it.
If y'all want to remix off of this one, highly encourage you. I'm gonna send the project here.
Procedurally generation is a real neat tool you can use for various stuff, actually.
I feel like it'd
Also-
be cool. It's kind of like punk that it implements the maps in ASCII. It'd almost be cool if it like actually looked like that. You know, like zeros and.
Paging Rick.
Oh, you mean okay? We can see what we can do later with that.
I feel about that idea, but it's funny.
It would be a funny mode we can add.
Yeah, add ASCII graphics. I don't know.
Yeah, let's try that later.
ASCII graphics mode.
Yes.
Here we go. Here we go.
Okay. Let's see.
No, look, we
I
need
believe you can, if you enable API, you can tell it to pull something from a site, which is what I've been doing a lot.
I think you could just prompt. What are you trying to do right now? I feel like you could just prompt it, like have an ASCII graphic.
Yeah, I'm looking for
Yeah, let's try that.
a list of ones that are like, I don't know, more nicer looking to tell it to use specific ones, but we can just tell it to use ASCII.
Fortress ASCII.
We'll see. Let's see.
Or like the rogue ASCII set.
Oh, yeah, oh yeah, the OG one.
There we go.
I like that.
Ooh. Oh my gosh.
You could probably just prompt
Still
to
loading.
use the ASCII set from Rogue.
Honestly, it probably does know. Yeah, it'll know that one for sure. Okay, so let's see.
Oh yeah, okay.
Comment on the internet.
Let's see if they have. They
Oh.
did not have collision.
I don't think it changed really much at all. Okay.
Well, maybe it did change and it's just zoomed in. Or
No, it
the
actually
prompt
did not
also
change.
said that the jump height is off. Is a little
Oh.
too low. We lost Cat.
We
Oh.
lost.
I'm here.
Cat.
Oh, hi,
I'm
Hoff.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Hold on.
Hoff, did you kick me off
There
the
we
damn
go.
stage? Oh my god.
Okay. It did not implement collision.
It also did,
like I
yeah,
thought
I
it
don't think it
would.
really added much at all. It changed, it added a little bit
Okay,
to the
so,
index.
one thing I'd recommend is click edit and then let it rerun the same,
Okay.
like,
I'd
yeah.
probably just rerun with like Sonnet or something, honestly.
Oh, okay, okay.
Too. Like,
Yeah,
just
we
to
could
try
do that.
it.
The method I use is whenever something doesn't work, I click edit and then switch AI.
Real.
Usually.
Real.
I didn't know you could generate 2 prompts at once.
Yeah, we've been, it's been the way to do it, quickly for a while. Just open up a bunch of tabs, yeah.
Okay.
Is there a Discord safety mode for children and Hoff?
No, you need a one of those safety locks on the stove.
For Hoff. Can order. Take care of it.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Okay, so this is... Okay, after rerunning it with Sonnet, it did nothing.
Oh.
It did also do nothing. Okay, crazy
We'll
idea
try the
here,
refresh button.
But,
Hmm.
yeah,
What's
that
weird
also
to me about
works.
this is I feel like the instructions we gave it were pretty.
API says on a side note, there's a kind of glitch recently introduced with running in multiple tabs. Sometimes they hang each other up somehow. Interesting.
Yeah, that's possible. That's
I mean, we can
100%
always
possible.
just try. One thing to try can just be to edit the prompt to make it have fewer instructions.
True, yeah.
Yeah, that might. We might be overloading it a tad bit.
Wait, does this work? Yeah.
So, this last one finished.
Wow.
That
Yeah,
also didn't
none of
do
them
anything.
worked. Okay, so let's cut it in half.
Yeah, let's run it in 2 separate prompts.
We'll just do show a whiteboard around selected character, use F to switch between selected, show controls on screen, and characters have collision.
Yeah. Let's see.
I have faith. I mean, it did really well. It might just be a case of getting the first prompt right, too.
Yeah, absolutely. It's weird how you ran like 2 of the same prompt but got different results. That's
Yeah, that's just the way AI does it, you know, like it's I mean it's the same way like imagine if I asked you to write an application and I gave you kind of vague instructions, like do you think you'd do it the same way each time?
Yeah.
no, probably not. The thing is, when you write an application, especially if you have to redo it like multiple times, most likelihood is that you make something new, like write something new.
I'm 100% remixing this, by the way, after the stream. I'm 100% working on
Oh yeah,
this.
you can take that. Yeah.
I'm excited. I played so much Learn to Fly.
I want it to work because I wanted to learn to fly. I still wanted it. I was actually on Blender earlier. I was planning on making like a map for a 3D game I was planning.
Oh, I saw the HTML tag. We're ready. We're ready. Here we go. No. No dice.
Added 13 lines. It didn't even add the F button. Oh, did it?
Yeah, it didn't add anything.
You know what I usually do when something doesn't work? I click remix on the project and then run a new prompt.
Yeah, true, true. Yeah, let's...
So let's go back to the version that worked. Click
We're gonna
fork,
fork it.
and then let's try to rerun the prompt from there.
Should we do a different model? We could try Flash.
Yeah, we could try it. Certain AIs have different properties.
Trying a couple
See if this-
prompts too, just in forks right now. We're gonna see what happens.
Yeah, Gemini is very good at actually at 2D stuff. I found out.
Oh?
I'm only gonna
Okay,
guess
same
that
thing.
it did not.
Same thing. It didn't do anything. Wow.
That's so weird. What?
Why? It's weird to me because I feel like these aren't instructions that are like super vague or anything
Oh
like
no,
that.
you can switch. It did not switch character, but
It
it
put the
didn't
instructions in,
add
but
the
it didn't make the function for it.
Hmm.
It just has the default way of switching characters, which is just you use arrow keys to control the blue guy and
This is a weird one.
WASD to control green guy.
Let's see.
Hmm.
How are we going to solve this?
I don't know. Yeah, if
we
nothing.
might actually, we might
could
actually
just-
have to switch to the other one.
Yeah, I was just gonna recommend that. We could just prompt from the other one.
Okay,
Because the other one already had that mechanic to start with. So,
true. So let's say that should be
What
this
happened to the
version.
sign? Hold on, what? It's that one, right?
Yeah. Oh, why is it a white screen now?
Wait, hold on, did it? What did it actually do? Did it remove the game?
No, this like I remember the first version didn't work, and then this version we got the other one that had the keys in it, I think.
Yeah, try
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
reloading.
Yeah, reloading's not working.
Weird.
This is funky. Maybe. No.
What? I actually had that problem earlier with oh, free mini. I was meant to. I'll guess I'll send it directly to you, Rob. What I sent to Rick.
Okay.
So this is the error I got earlier. It might tie into. It's only 03 mini, but I don't know why.
Weird. Weird. Well, why don't we just write whatever prompt we were gonna write from there? Right. So,
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do that. Well, we all.
screen.
All right.
Here's the
So
level map.
this one just needed these switches.
Didn't that one already?
Right.
Yeah, because this
Okay.
one already
Um,
had some of the other things.
Let's see if it fixes itself with the next one. Try canon.js for a collision. I don't know what canon.js is, I'll be honest. Don't think I've used it.
I think it was used for hold on.
While we wait.
If I can find it. This one. I think they used
I
Canon.js
got
for
a
this.
version- I got a version that's kind of janky, but it works on certain things now. Oh, that's cool. 3D sushi simulator. That's a fun idea.
Yeah, this one
That-
was this
That
guy.
is a good. That is a. Yeah. Oh yeah, I've seen a lot of their projects.
He's a
Great creator.
Yeah, they are.
JavaScript
They
developer.
honestly are.
Okay, so this is the one that Rob just sent.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
so how
it's
does it
got the
work?
character switcher, but it doesn't have like. It still has the different characters have different controls.
Whoa, the ASCII works.
Oh my god.
That's
the
kind of
ASCII.
crazy.
Yeah.
Why don't you use it? Because wait, hold on. What happens if you go up in the ASCII one? Does it just stay?
No, it actually does jump.
So does it go up and down?
Yes, but I might have to switch. Yeah, there we go. You can see I'm green
Okay.
now.
Ah. That's an interesting thing.
Oh,
that
okay.
We could use for our own benefit. Okay. Why did the window become smaller?
This is so strange.
This was the first one.
Yeah.
I don't think it actually changed anything for this one. Like it did, but functionally, I think it's basically the same game.
Well, Why does it keep on removing stuff?
Well, I don't think we told it that it has different control, or that it has the same controls for both characters.
No, I don't think we did either. Matter.js. I have never used that either.
Like, I think their jump heights need to be a little taller, and like also they need top collision, but
Okay,
yeah.
okay. We can remix off of this one. I think is probably a better version.
yeah. Let's
Yeah.
do that.
Okay, so one thing we do need to fix on this one is the camera switching. Like, in case
like-
one gets out of view and
Oh
stuff
yeah.
like that.
Okay. Yeah. How do you want to phrase that?
Okay, so make sure when a character is switched that that the camera follows with it. I feel that's kind of a big like.
We could probably run that
Something
as its own
else?
thing.
Something
Yeah.
else that the prompt could be? Yeah, we could try running that prompt, but another thing we could try would be like, if the characters get far away from each other, it zooms out the camera, so that way.
Oh yeah,
Oh
yeah.
yeah. Okay, let's do that.
We can add that on. Yeah. If characters are far away from each other, zoom camera out to show both in frame. Try sending that.
Yeah, let's try to send it.
Getting big remixes.
Yeah, how are we getting?
There's cat math games, real.
Okay, let's see if this works.
Oh, you can watch it stream its thinking. I didn't know that. I thought you could just only watch it when it was finished.
Yeah, no, that's usually what I use for DeepSeek R1. It has an incredible thinking process.
DeepSeek R1 is really cool, yeah. It's one of my favorite new models.
Yeah, I use it quite a lot.
Okay, so let's see
You
if
use
we.
it in WebSim or just chatting?
Sorry, what did you say?
I was asking, do you use R1 in WebSim a lot, or do you just like?
Yeah, no, I use R1 in WebSim. It fixes obscure problems. It has top collision.
It
When
has
did you add
top
that?
collision.
Yeah, that was in my prompt. I don't know why it worked for me and didn't work for y'all, but it worked.
Okay, so I can't
What if-
test that
I gave it the purpose. I didn't just
Okay,
say add
so-
collision. I said like so you can stand on top of each other.
Got
What
you.
if we give the property to the blue character that it can pick up the green character, which teleports it above the blue one?
We had 0 lines changed on this bad boy. I'm gonna send it again, and then we can try that.
I feel like that's also like camera controls. I've just been very impressed by O3 Mini on this sort of
Yeah,
thing.
same.
Whoa,
What happened there?
whoa.
A little too much zoom in, but zoom out. And
It got
in
the right
wrong
idea.
state. It got the right idea, but it's not properly executing it. I feel.
All right, let's say yeah. Make the camera
we can do-
movement less.
What is the word for that?
Less strong and happen more smooth and slowly.
Make sure both characters are in frame. Because right now it's kind of up. Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
Let's run that.
I also want to make it so that both characters have the same controls and that you just switch between which one you have selected.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. That sounds like a great idea.
And can only be
What?
moved while selected.
Yeah, there you go.
Cool.
You kind of forgot that WebSim exists. That's the funny one.
It happens. It happens. It waxes and wanes.
It does happen, yeah. Let's see if this prompt works, or we're gonna have to rerun it. It do be like that sometimes.
I got faith. This is we have a really good start so far. I really like this one.
Yeah. I believe we can do it.
Okay.
Okay. Did it do it? It did add line.
Well. Oh, uh-oh.
What happened there?
Okay, so
Where's
there are issues.
where's the blue one?
He has been lost to time.
Yeah. Oh, wait, does it work?
Oh, yes.
Oh,
Whoa.
that's a
great.
good.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
that's
This is
great.
this is
Nice.
kind of cool. Okay. So now. Whoa.
We wanted to add a feature where it can pick where the blue one can pick up the green one, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, that, but not reverse, because it would look kind of funny if the green one could pick up the. Yeah.
And hold
You don't
it
understand HTML.
top
What?
of blue
What is that?
character's head.
It's just a visual bug. It doesn't.
Yeah, that's a funny one. No, I've never seen that one happen.
Make camera zooming less strong on jumping.
Oh my god. Philip, that's a really good picture.
Me. Cat coffee. Real. I put 3 cats in my coffee every morning.
I feel like someone is gonna clip that. Okay. It should be finishing soon. I got faith. Alright, let's see what it is giving us.
I have faith for this game.
Yeah, I have faith for it too. I believe this is gonna be a very fun one.
I'm gonna predict a bug. I'm gonna predict a bug right now. I think
you mean picking up the blocks?
yeah, we're gonna be able to pick up the green guy, but we won't be able to put him down, or it's gonna put him down underneath us, and there's gonna be like some way we can't get through the map because we're too tall. That's my
hold on,
prediction.
What's the text behind the text?
Who's to say? Who's to say? Okay, no, it's actually not picking up a green guy at all.
No, but, hold on. Look at the prompt on the sidebar thing.
Plus
Yeah,
one
yeah,
line.
One line.
Come on. Wait. Try to reload the page. Reload the page.
Oh my god.
It's possible? No, no, come on. Are you kidding me? That is so...
We've got the, hold on, we got the zero lines change stickers.
No, that was basically just just a thing. It.
I can't find the sticker. Somebody post zero lines changed.
It basically said, yeah, yeah, blue can pick up green, and nothing else.
He was like, yeah, blue can pick up green, sure. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
I'm not
yeah.
gonna write anything for that, but sure. Yeah, you can.
Also, I got a message earlier. Someone was having issues with my leaderboard. Refresh it and do not keep 2 tabs open at once.
I picked him up.
Alright,
Oh,
if you switch characters, can it move?
oh,
Nice.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
All right.
Okay, we can work.
Well,
We-
okay, there's a bug.
Yeah.
There's a bug.
Okay. Okay. It seems like we need to add a little bit of collision.
Well,
Um,
so it seems like when your thing is moving, like when it's just moving on its own, there's proper collision, but like when you pick it up, it
Yeah. I can't show because I can't jump. Hold on. Hold on. We'll get up there.
I mean, you could just refresh too.
Yeah,
Get the bug.
that's true.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What? Uh-oh. Blue sometimes get lost to the void. We're gonna have to eventually fix that, but...
Yes. Okay, so if I pick him
I
up,
feel like
yeah.
the solution to that is more just to build the level editor.
Yeah, absolutely. Right. Should we try to add collision first?
Yeah.
And then we do the editor.
Make sure carried characters still have collision.
I mean,
Wait, did it?
what do we want to happen? Like when, because one solution could be that like it prevents you from moving forward if like the green block runs up against it. Another solution could
It could
be
push the green
that
block
it's-
off you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I think
Oh
that's
yeah,
the
let's
thing.
do
That's
that.
more fun, yeah.
That's more fun, yeah.
If the blue character is carrying green character and the green character runs into a block, allow the blue character to keep moving and the green character slides off of the top of the blue character.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it's a lot of description, which is
Okay.
good. So let's try to run that before we try to make an editor. Also, we do need to extend the map
One thing.
length.
Yeah, you could
Yep.
even like you could even say give it like a metaphor and be like, hey, so imagine like I'm walking down the street with a fruit basket on my head and I try to walk through a door. I'm just balancing this fruit basket on my head. I don't have my hands on it. So what do you expect will happen to the fruit basket? I'm gonna keep moving forward and it'll fall behind.
Yeah, that's. Yeah, you can give it metaphors if you. You can also talk in third person, which I found out.
Imagine I'm walking down the street balancing a fruit basket on my head. I walk through a low door and the fruit basket slides off my head realistically. This is the behavior. This is the intended behavior in game.
I predict a bug where it will just slowly slide it off the blue.
We'll see. Also, just out of my curiosity, can we try running that same prompt with O3 Mini High?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's open a remix on the version 5. Let's see if we get any better results. For those who are generally unaware of why you might want to remix your own project, it clears out the training data that you gave it previously.
Right. So yeah, the way that our prompts currently work is that it shows the language model the prompt that you send, but then also like the last 10 prompts that you sent to.
Yeah.
And that is so, if you say something like make it better, it knows what it means because it can see from like prior context. But sometimes it just ends up confusing things. So yeah, if you fork a project, you can start it kind of like fresh.
Yeah, I've used it for many projects. I have adopted changes from my own forks. It is very useful.
Whoa, O3 Mini overthinking is speeding. Look at this. Look how fast it's going.
Yeah, Rob, did I tell you about that one time it added 70,000 lines to one singular project in one prompt?
Oh no, that's
Whoa.
wild. O3? It's crazy.
I had to close the tab so fast because it was genuinely crashing my browser.
Oh god, can you send the link? I'm like curious.
I believe I deleted it, but I also have the dock one if you want to crash your browser with that one.
Okay, bug happened. It teleported the green one up through the collision blocks.
Okay, what happened to the
boy.
first one? Is that one finished?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Well, it looks like it didn't even get started, so like let's just try.
Okay,
running that
so here's a insight. Yeah, you can delete an already generating thing and then just rerun the exact same prompt. Most of the times it'll fix it. Wait, hold on. Add that singular dot at the end.
In this one?
No, in the previous one, if it still doesn't work, add a dot, because I found out sometimes it can continue.
Interesting, okay.
And that kind of just ends off what you want in that specific context. That's really nice.
So, with this one, the only bug that happened with changing the way that the guy gets carried is now it can, like, when it collides, instead of going backwards, it looks like it gets pushed, like, through whatever block is above it.
Oh, I have an idea for later on, and it involves traps and spike pits. I have some ideas.
Okay, let's see if this one
Okay,
works.
let's see what the problem is with this one. No, I believe in it. I believe in it.
Whoa.
Don't think so, Brenton.
Okay, this is the better one. Remember that, I don't know how to prompt to fix that one.
We could try running the prompt without the stupid fruit basket.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
That might have caused some minor problems. Hey, hold on. Cat, hold on. Go back to the previous remix. I want to show you something cool. Um,
Okay.
Go back to the previous remix. I want to show people something very cool in case you need to do this yourself. Edit that one. Edit the prompt right there. Remove the fruit basket thing.
Oh, true. And then just send it.
And what this does when you click it, it will remix it again.
Oh, very cool. Okay.
But it will not close. Like you don't have to go back to the previous project to do that.
Okay, very neat. All right, I want to see how this prompt does, and then we're probably gonna have to wrap up after that.
Ah, yeah, I didn't. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, let's see. We could add a teleportation mechanic later on. But yeah, if you want to save some a little bit of time, you can just edit the prompt and it will make another remix because I've done it 10 times so far.
One thing that could be fun to prompt too would just be make make an edit mode where I press a button and it changes it into a level editor, and it changes it into a level editor that lets me save and load levels. Yeah, I can stay on maybe for like a little bit longer. I'm kind of
Okay.
curious about the level editor.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah. So this.
Darn.
No, it still does it.
So weird.
That is so weird. Let's see.
Maybe we should just say like if a character is detected inside of a block, spit it out the side instead of up.
Yeah, we could. Do that. Yeah,
I don't.
try that.
If a character is detected inside of a block, gently spit out to be close. Sorry, what were you saying?
I was just gonna say, fun fact, this is actually exactly how we solve bugs for WebSim.
Yeah, no, it's trial and error, really.
Okay, we're gonna try that. Oh,
Okay,
API.
let's
API
see
cooked up a banger prompt. Hold up. When placing the green
Oh yeah,
character down,
something. Yeah.
find the closest empty space that it can be placed. If none is found, keep the green character on top of blue character but no longer held.
That might actually work.
Okay.
I could see that
I-
working.
I could see that working.
And that would be a remix from version 5, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try that. Whoops.
Oh, that's the wrong one. All right. Let's see where this gets us.
I got faith. I got faith.
I
I
got
think
faith
the
too, yeah.
prompt API cooked up might just do it.
Hmm.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Did add some lines.
Hmm.
Hmm. Well,
No. What?
That's if I place it down. So basically, what if we just tell it to change the behavior so that like when it picks a character up, it places it on top of the head, but it doesn't hold the character there. So if anything interacts with it, like it's gonna interact the same
Can
way,
it-
but it'll just still sit on top of the guy's head, I guess. Like,
yeah.
okay, we can try this version too.
Where? Oh, the green is down there.
Yeah, for some reason it put green down there, which is gonna be tough because I don't think I can actually test anything if green's down there. Okay, never mind.
Oh,
Okay,
I
here
didn't
we go.
think of like. Oh, that works.
Okay, that
That works.
That
Now we're
works. But it needs to follow like the right side, the right direction.
cooking.
Wait, okay, instead of saying the closest side edge here, we can say like the opposite the
Hmm.
hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna try my first idea over here. Let's say
Let's see. Okay. Will that work with like the movement and stuff?
I think so.
All right. Well,
Like I'm gonna try to tell it like when moving normally, like green should stay on the head, but like if it hits something,
okay. Let's try that.
then it shouldn't be like anchored to blue. Um um
Yeah. Let's see.
place on top of it instead of normal movement in this state should have the characters moving together. But green should not be attached to blue, only floating.
Hopefully that works.
Yeah, we'll try that.
Try. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
I was just
Or you
going
gonna say something?
to, like, my approach probably would have been like that prompt, but then also just add in like that bit from Uniplays where it's like talking about like why it's important. Like, I just want collision detection to work even though green's being carried by blue.
Okay. We'll give it a shot. A whirl, perhaps? Okay, here's one version.
Blue is gone again.
Yeah, we gotta fix like how they spawn into the world, because that's like a 50-50 chance of happening ever. Okay.
Oh, okay. What is?
That's interesting. Whoa. Okay, this
What,
one.
what's happening? What?
Wow.
Oh,
That was art.
this is art.
The slow zoom in is crazy.
It's so dramatic.
Okay, let's try this one
It's so funny.
with the Uniplays prompt. Oh, okay. Wow.
Wait, hold on.
It's so funny.
All right. I think this is the best version that we've got right now.
I also like someone else had a suggestion earlier to just like acknowledge that bug as existing and treat it as a mechanic. You know?
Yeah.
Okay.
We could do that. It would be easier.
Like,
What do y'all thinking we could do?
Not a bug, a feature. Yes, that's how Skyrim works.
what could we do if you could just like teleport? I mean, I think that like what you do with that is that's just like on the level design front, you know. So it's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so like
Yeah. Let's.
if I were prompting for a level editor, I'd probably be like, make it so I can draw the levels, but also place the starting positions for each of the characters. And then that also would probably be where like you start adding in new features like grabbing a key and like placing the keys and
Right.
placing the doors and stuff.
Yeah, and yeah. Let's go ahead and
The
try.
ASCII mode, I forgot about that.
All right. Thinking about the next prompt. What makes sense? What do y'all think?
I think trying for a level editor could be fun.
Okay.
Yeah, let's. Ooh, I've had a kind of a good idea. Also. Yeah. Let's see. Level editor. We also need to make it so it can be larger, or maybe there isn't a size limit or something.
Make maps a bit larger by default, perhaps. Perhaps.
Yeah, that could work.
Switching to a level editor.
I could foresee a problem. Player might get stuck in level editor.
Yeah, we'll have to make
Right.
UI buttons. But yeah.
And also we do have to make a way to save them. So I think we're gonna use the database.
We gotta
for
use
it.
multiplayer, yeah.
Yeah. Which I hold dearly. I make everything with database nowadays.
Good thoughts, Hoff. Appreciate it. You're gonna drink 90 bottles of water. You're gonna get like water poisoning.
Water poisoning. Yeah.
Be careful. It's
Actually-
sorry.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, you don't drink too much water.
Water. I like to say hydrate or dihydrate.
Real.
Real. I've been thinking also if the community would be interested into this. I do have a Twitch. I'm thinking of maybe if I could do some live web simming.
You should. You absolutely should. have a feeling it finished. It finished writing the thing. It just is hanging.
Oh no, what? Wait, hold on. Is the site
Oh,
reacting?
here we go.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, let's try L.
Okay. Level
Wait.
editor mode works,
Okay.
but nothing happens. But but we do have an editor.
It
We do have an
happened.
editor.
I think it just messed up the camera for some reason.
Yeah, we do need to fix the camera. So
Nice.
Here, I'm gonna shoot this link
Let's-
over to y'all, and you can feel free to remix.
I am looking forward to seeing how people make remixes of this.
I'm stoked
Oh.
as well.
Oh, we do have a problem.
Yeah.
I opened the link, right? And it depends on the screen.
Oh.
Yeah, this is probably not the intended thing to
Okay.
see.
Okay.
I got spawned outside. My blue got spawned beneath the map, so we need to set an absolute 0 kind of thing.
This is so silly. These bugs are so goofy.
Yeah, they are very goofy. So how we will fix that in most cases is specifying the play area to scale after every single screen.
So you said scale the play area to.
No, you could do what's that thing? You specify something in the code. I can't remember what it's called. Right? Can't remember.
We can say camera should always have most of the map in frame. I don't know.
Hold on, I do actually have a project. Oh, define play area. There you go.
Just define playing area.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go for it.
Yeah, that's how I fixed my problems with one of the games I made.
WebSim
when
devs
it's
make a game
defined,
in
like-
24 hours contest. Real. That'd be fun.
Yeah, that would be fun. But
We'll try it in Sonnet too.
where's the Hello. Let's see. It is rapidly writing something.
It's going. It's going for sure.
Yeah, it's even funnier when I make a change on the Mega Chat Room or the wiki, because then it rapid fires. Just writes so much code.
Yeah, that is probably the biggest project I've seen, I think.
Yeah, no, I've seen one bigger, but I can't remember the name of it.
Okay, so playing area is defined now. But the camera is not locked to it.
Okay, so that's probably not what it was intended, but let's see if that fixes the scaling issue.
It kind of fixes it for the level editor.
Oh no, it does fix the scaling issue. It's just the camera is still bugged.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I should tell it. Okay, now I gotta tell it level editor should only be for the playing area. And camera needs to be
centered on character selected. There you go. That should work. Yeah, well, remix and fork is basically the same thing, but remixing is making it your own kind of thing. Right. Okay, let's see what it puts out.
I trust.
I trust. Yeah.
Okay.
Not
Not quite.
The camera is. What? Oh, it's the zoom out feature, right?
Right. Okay. So should we just remove that?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
If you want to remove something, don't give it any more instructions than remove camera zoom kind of thing. Because otherwise it will remove more than intended. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna play some Euro Truck Simulator later.
Oh.
Maybe. Or continue on no, not Stardew Valley. Starbound. With Rick and the Bush. Okay, let's see if it works.
Pretty much, yeah. I would say so.
What happens if you switch character?
Yep.
Oh, okay, that works.
Now,
yeah, no.
If we go to opposite ends of the screen, we're still both in frame. Kind of. Well,
Unless you
okay.
do that.
Well, all right.
Unless you do that, yeah. Wait, does it still have both characters in the same screen kind of thing?
Should always be in frame. Let's tell it again.
Yeah. We might have accidentally removed that with what? I feel like if we get the level editor working, we pretty much have a working
For sure.
game.
Yeah.
And then we also need to add the key and stuff like that. But yes.
Okay, so both characters should always be in frame. Yep, that works. That's how far away they were a minute ago. That works. Okay, so let's say use multiplayer to allow users to save and upload. Hold up. To
You
save.
can just specify database.
Oh, okay. Use database to save users save levels from level editor and post them for other users to import to their game.
Yeah.
We can try just that for now. Wow.
This is shaping up to be a game.
Yeah.
We're making good progress. Okay, that was
Wait,
weird.
hold on. Can you do that again?
Yeah. I kind of liked that actually. Oh, I don't know how it happened. Oh, okay, if I press E while I have him picked up, it unpicks it up,
That's great.
which means it's not anchored anymore, which means maybe.
Oh, we can use the teleportation glitch as a mechanic. Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, that is very cool. Yeah. Let's
Okay, so let's see if we go into
let's
level
anchor off
editor.
that, yeah. Wait. Do we have maybe we have to have a spawn point?
That's a good point. Add a spawn point
Spawn point.
to
in,
level editor.
Yeah.
Add a
Oh,
add the
is
winning door.
is anyone else in here using Discord public test beta? I want to show something that is funny. So if you look in the side chat, and you could probably bring that up, there's a glitch with the.
Oh yeah, I saw that
newest
one.
version. Yeah.
Thank you, Discord.
Thank you, Discord, for messing up with the CSS. I'm excited to see what comes out of this
I have
project.
faith. I've got faith.
Yeah.
We got the top minds on the project.
Now, when you do click save, we gotta make sure it actually saves into the database
Yes.
later. Which is how I gauge if a database is working or not, because sometimes it doesn't. So. Oh yeah. When you add database to project, make sure it works before you continue adding features, because there's a chance it doesn't.
I think that prompt might have glitched.
Yeah, no, that's a glitch prompt. No, so
Oh, here we go. Yeah, now
you
now it's
basically
working.
just test the feature, that you want to have saved in the database, like a forum post or something. Yeah. So if it doesn't work, you need to rerun that prompt, because you cannot fix it later on in most cases. Yeah. How big is the project, by the way?
We'll find out in a
Like, how
second.
many total?
8.5
we got an
thousand.
error.
We do.
We got an error.
I think it's one we can just click the error fix for. So let's do it.
Well, you gotta when you do something with database, you gotta specify strict instructions on what you want to save. But after you've done the first one, you can just add on to that and add more tabs. That's usually what I do. Yeah, you want to verify early on.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
we could show you later. With one of my projects, I believe I showed Cat. What?
Oh, okay. I can load
Did it
another
work?
person's level. Yes. Okay, but we don't know if we have.
Do we have a spawn point?
I think this is
Yeah.
spawn point.
And also, I've noticed a glitch. I have noticed a glitch. Where it spawns 2 levels.
Okay, the spawn point
wait, no,
works,
it didn't.
but it does
Okay.
spawn something like beneath you. Like it has like this like
There
layer
you go.
beneath
Yeah,
it.
that's what I meant. Yeah, that we don't want that. I'm also still curious what is being displayed behind the controls.
I have no idea. Yeah. All right. I have to jump off. But
Yeah.
Rob,
Okay.
are you continuing?
I'll probably jump off too. I'm getting pretty hungry.
Okay. Cool. We just hit 2 hour mark.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Synthi, for hanging out and being an awesome web sim
Yep.
creator. It was our pleasure to do the creator spotlight with you, and I think a lot of users learned a lot as well with your incredible prompting skills. We have made a cool project that you guys. I will send the link one more time, just in
Yes,
case you guys
I will
want to
certainly
remix. Please
I
continue
will
it.
certainly continue on that. Yeah.
Stoked to see where this ends up. Thank you to everybody for tuning in, and catch us on Friday for the hand-drawn Valentine's Day contest.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm looking forward to that one.
It'll be a good one. I've already seen some really cool projects. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks everybody for tuning
Alright.
in. Have a great one.
Thank you.
Have a great